If you smoke a lot of weed or someone else you live with does, you will want to have the right air purifier working. This is important since it can help eliminate all of the allergens and other pollutants in the air that would come from smoking. Not only that, but it can help with getting rid of the various odors and even the smoke that might be accumulating in the room. There are many products available to choose from best air purifiers for weed smoke, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did dynamic research, read tons of reviews of customer, and compiled a list of the best air purifiers for weed smoke from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Fellows Air Max 300 Air Purifier for weed smoke. This will be ideal for those who want to spend a minimum amount, since it has the true HEPA filter system with antimicrobial treatment and carbon filtration, with a 4-stage process. This won't just eliminate the odors in the room, but it can also capture smoke, germs, dust, and mold, which makes it great for asthma or allergy sufferers. This is also an area smart sensor that can monitor the quality of the air, and it will adjust the fan's speed automatically to keep the air of good quality. This is ideal for a room around 300 square to 600 square feet or even a small apartment. Number 2. Levoid H13 Smart Air Purifier. This model will be ideal if you want one great at cleaning the air and getting rid of the smoke smell. It is efficient, quiet, and compact, can handle a room of around 163 square feet, and can clean the air numerous times every hour. This will be super affordable and voice activated, so you don't need to get up to turn it on. You can also use the smartphone application to set the timings and the fan speeds based on your schedule. This doesn't mean you can choose from settings, but you can easily customize it or turn it off if you are out later than planned. Number 3. Blair 411 Blue Pure Air Purifier. This option will improve efficiency and performance for those who can push the budget a bit. This will be highly energy efficient, since it will cost you around $20 per year to operate, depending on how often you use it. This is also extremely quiet at 17 decibels, which means it can be used in your bedroom or office based on your needs. Another great reason to check out this model is that the carbon filter would have a bigger surface area, which can trap particles better. This would decrease maintenance costs, since you don't need to replace the filters as often as the other models. Number 4. Honeywell HPA100 Air Purifier. Another classic model you can check out is this one, since it can easily clear the smoke out of any small room. If you don't want to spend a lot on replacement filters, this model will be ideal since they come in packs of 3 to 4, which are the same price as the expensive ones. This also has a warranty valid for 5 years in case of any problems, and this is going to be a simple and sleek design that you can use in any room in your home. Number 5. Hathaspace Medical Grade Smart True Air Purifier. The final option you can check out is this model with the H13 or medical grade HEPA filtration system. This can get 99.97% of all the particles in the air, with a 5-in-1 system that removes odors, tobacco and weed smoke, vox, pet dander, dust, and pollen. This also has a huge coverage area of 1,500 square feet per hour, which is great for any large room or home. A particle sensor also monitors the air quality in the area, so you can get precise measurements and real-time feedback. A display panel is a touchscreen display that reveals the air quality index level, and a light you can see on your front panel that would change color based on the current air quality. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please do check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below, so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching, have a great day.